To add icons to Google Docs, the best way to do it is to use the add-ons feature. So click on add-ons, go to Get Add-ons. When the search box opens up, type icons and then choose icons for slides and docs. Here it is on the left. Click on that and install it. Now that it is installed, go to add-ons, icons for slides and docs, and start the add-on. And on the right, a column will appear with a list of icons. And you can click to filter them by shape or color, and you also have the option to do a search. We'll search for a thumbnail or a thumb icon. Select the icon, and then it gives you options to choose a size. We'll go 256 and we'll insert that. So there's the icon inserted, and you can click on it and you can then go to your image options. The right hand column now gives you a chance to manipulate the thumbnail. So you could change the height and the width. You could rotate it, and you can just play around with it to your satisfaction. Adjustments here. You could actually change the transparency of the icon. Again, play around it to your satisfaction. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support the channel. Thank you.